Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your Steam email address. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to store.steampowered.com. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log in with your credentials. This will take you to your main Steam dashboard where you can access all your account settings and features. After you're logged in, look at the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your username displayed there. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Account Details. This will take you to a page where you can manage all the core information related to your Steam account. Once you're on the Account Details page, direct your attention to the left panel. Here, you'll find various sections for managing different aspects of your account. Click on Security and Devices. This section is specifically designed for managing your account's security settings, including your email address, password, and authentication methods. Now, look for the option that says Change Email Address and click on it. This will open up a new window where Steam will present you with different verification methods to proceed with the email change. This extra step ensures that only the actual account owner can make changes to sensitive information like your email address. For this example, click on Email and Account Verification. By selecting this option, Steam will send a unique verification code to your current email address. This code acts as a security measure to confirm that you have access to the email currently associated with your account. Next, open your email inbox and locate the message from Steam. You'll find a verification code included in the email. Go ahead and copy this code. It's important to do this step carefully to ensure you copy the entire code correctly. Now, go back to your Steam browser window. You'll see a field waiting for the verification code. Paste the code you just copied into this designated field, then click Continue. Steam will verify the code, and if it's correct, you'll be able to proceed to the next step. After the verification is complete, you'll see a field where you can enter your new email address. Type in the email address you want to switch to. Make sure to double check that you've entered it correctly, as this will be the new primary email for all your Steam communications and account recovery. Finally, click Change Email to complete the process. Steam will apply the changes to your account, and your new email address will now be linked to your Steam profile. And that's it, you've successfully updated your Steam email address with a secure verification process. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.